Hey everyone, it's Ed at R U Cars. We're back with another Honda Accord. I've got a 2011 ES-GT 2.2 iDtec model. It's finished in graphite grey. It's done 62,000 miles. It has 10 services and it's in very nice condition. Being the GT model, you do get the exterior styling kit, as you can see. You've got the 17-inch alloys, which are all in very nice condition, to be fair. The car overall is superb. The side skirts as well on the GT model. Super clean and straight. The rear arches are all excellent. As you can see there, some of these do corrode. This one's lovely. Whilst we're on that subject, the underside is equally as tidy. Again, the GT rear bumper, reg number there for any checks that you may wish to carry out. Small touching on this one there, look. But again, no rust. All your spot welds are there from factory. All super clean. There are one or two touchings around the vehicle on this, but very minor. It is super clean and tidy. All your tyres are good, your brakes are good. Drives incredibly well. Much better car than a Toyota Avensis in my opinion. The grill is all nice and clean and bright. Needs to get some horrible staining over the years, but this one's lovely. And that's about it for the outside. Let's show you inside. Begin with the boot. Oh. So, all really nice and clean with the split folding rear seats. No funny smells, no dogs. No spare wheel with this one, just comes with the, I've pulled that out there. Just comes with the toolkit, the compressor and the tyre weld, but it's all there and you can get a spare wheel in there if you wish. There we go. That's shut. Helps if you unlock them. We've got the half leather inside. Really clean again. I'm sorry if it looks dirty on the videos. The cameras just don't pick up the pattern in the fabric very well. They always look a bit dirty, but I can assure you it's not, and it is all very nice. Has Isofix and centre armrest, along with rear electric windows. As we move into the front, again, all very nice and clean. Minimal wear to the bolster. Tiny little bit down there, look. Very good. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors. Multifunction steering wheel with your cruise control. All super clean with minimal wear. Even the top of the gear knob is really good. Anyway, let's give it a start. You'll see there's no warnings or any nasties. There you go, 62,494 on the miles. There are no warnings. There's even plenty of fuel in it. Audio controls on the left, cruise control on the right, and I do believe it has Bluetooth. Yeah, there we go. It's got the telephone. I'll probably keep talking to us now in the background. CD, FM radio with auxiliary inputs, dual climate control, all working nicely. Cup holders in the centre, USB immediate inputs just there. Handbooks are in the glove box, and that is that. A cracking example. Very clean throughout, equally as clean underneath. If you do want to book in for a test drive, please do give us a call on 01509 267 111. If you do require finance, we may be able to assist with this one. It's on the older side, but we do have some lenders with some of our brokers that will finance stuff like this. So give us a try. Thanks for watching.